Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix AJIO cannot place order. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If it is an in-app glitch, simply head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar, and then search for AJIO inside of your search bar. Head over to AJIOgram, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of AJIO and try again. If the issue still persists, what you must do is head over to your app drawer and open up AJIO on your device. Once you're inside of AJIO, what you must do is make sure that you're logged into your account, make sure that the payment method that you're trying to use is active and has enough balance. Also make sure that your location is accurate and the item is not out of stock. Do make sure that there are no VPNs enabled on your device, or else you'll not be able to place an order. And if the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the AJIOgram app on your device, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store, and try again. If the issue still persists, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.